Welcome to my in-depth review of the Daily Yoga website and app, where we'll explore everything this platform has to offer. Daily Yoga is designed for yogis of all skill levels, from beginners just starting their practice to advanced practitioners seeking new challenges. Upon landing on the homepage, you're greeted with an intuitive layout that organizes classes by difficulty, duration, and specific goals, such as flexibility, stress relief, or strength. Signing up is straightforward, offering the option to create a free account or explore premium subscriptions that unlock a broader range of content. The interface is clean and visually appealing, with vibrant imagery and straightforward navigation. On the dashboard, you can access curated yoga plans tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking to de-stress after a long day or build a sustainable daily yoga habit. The app also features a range of guided meditations that pair seamlessly with yoga sessions, emphasizing mental clarity and mindfulness. A standout feature is the ability to track your progress. Daily Yoga allows you to set goals and monitors your completed sessions, offering a sense of achievement and motivation to stay consistent. However, while the platform excels in diversity and functionality, there are some drawbacks. Free users may find the content limited, as many of the advanced classes and features require a subscription. Additionally, while the app's design is polished, occasional glitches and loading issues can disrupt the experience. Despite these concerns, the Daily Yoga platform offers a well-rounded experience for anyone seeking to deepen their yoga practice or introduce mindfulness into their daily routine. From breathing exercises to strength-building flows, there's something here for everyone. If you tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.